Yo, what is going on? By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how I run my agency, how we're currently at 9K MRR, and the only tool that I really use to work day to day is Claude Code. Now, if you've already seen the live streams, you understand that I literally sit there / stand there every single day and I'm talking to my terminal. I don't go into apps. I don't go grab API keys. I don't go and make developer applications to OAuth into Facebook, TikTok, you name the app, whatever it is, Twilio, anything that requires me touching into the browser. And it's gonna be an emphasis on two things in this video that I kinda wanna hammer home. That if you're not doing, these are things that I do every single day, and it's allowed me to use my voice to build incredible systems within my agency. And the first thing I'm gonna touch on is basic API and MCP servers. So if you're not already in the terminal with Claude Code, I've already tried to record this video 3 times, and this is my attempt to dumb it down to a level that most people are gonna be able to understand. And so MCP servers, API, basically one and the same, but MCP typically is just a wrapper and it has better context on what the API can do. So you're gonna wanna feed Claude your API keys, whatever that is. So if it's Supabase for your database, if it is, Telenix for your SMS provider, if it's Instantly for your email sequencing, Claude can build the campaigns in Instantly. It can build your entire SMS sending engine. It can build all your workflows. It can build your pipeline and go high level. It can make your meta accounts. It can create the campaigns, ad sets. It can configure your post hog for, your funnel analytics. It can read how well your campaign is doing in meta. It can make those changes. It can build out campaigns in Instantly. And all I'm doing is telling Claude to do that stuff. The UIs on the front end of all these SaaS applications are completely dead to me. Now, it can invoice your clients. It can make new payment links, for Stripe. And even if it can't do something, what would you do that your Claude or your Codex agent can't do? It's you can go and click around things that don't have such a good back-end connection. Well, now we have so many browser automation frameworks. We have the CDP that OpenClaw uses. You have Pinch Tab, which is a better version of Playwright. You have Playwright. If Pinch Tab doesn't work, it gets the full DOM of the backend. You have Chrome MCP Dev Server. There's no reason for you and your highest leverage of just being able to think clearly and orchestrate a Codex or a Claude agent to be going in and clicking in the UI for multiple different applications. You're just wasting time when it can be done with browser automation frameworks. So this is gonna be a pretty short video, but the point I wanna get across here is that I am not going in and clicking anything in the UI anymore. The browser is for agents now. The UIs are for agents now. And just a little quick note here, if you're building applications, your applications need to be agent first. If you have an app and I can't point Codex or Claude at your application and it doesn't understand what it is and I have to try to use a very niche browser automation framework, then your app is doo-doo. I'm sorry, but this is where we're going. This is where I'm building SaaS applications, agents first. And I think the value in this video is just shining light on the fact that this is where we already are. Claude runs my entire business, and N8N is completely dead to me. And yeah, hope this helps. If you found any insight in this video of just using the browser automation frameworks and having Claude be the actual orchestrator and driver, drop a like on the video, subscribe, join Iron Operator School community, and I'll see you guys in the next one.